Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this film preset on Vsco. So first you can just upload your photos and then click on edit. Okay, now on the presets, find the C3 filter. So just swipe until you find the C3. Okay, after this you can just click on the tools and follow my settings here. Now click on exposure and then lower it to negative 2.5, and then contrast, lower it to negative 1. Click on the check icon, and now sharpness into 1.5. Click on the check icon, and the saturation, lower it to 0.5. And here you can click on the tone. For the highlights, increase it to 3, and the shadow 1. Click on the check icon. Now click on the white balance, and for the temperature, here you can increase it into 1, and then the tint into 0.6. Click on the check icon, and now find grain, this one, and adjust it to around 3, the string. Click on the check icon, and now fade 2.5. Lastly, you can click on the split tone and click on highlight thin and choose the color, the tone that you want. I'm going to use this blue color, and here you can adjust it how you like it. I'm going to go with 7. Now you can click on the check icon, and you are done. So this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.